How to set the auto power off to 5 minutes, 15, 30 minutes or never on the GoPro 9, 10, 11 or GoPro 12. First, press on the mode button on the side to return back to your camera screen. Then you want to swipe down at the top and then swipe across. In here, tap on Preferences, and then we tap on General. Next, we scroll down, then tap on Auto Power Off. In here, you can swipe up or down to set a time duration. So the lowest is 5 minutes. You can go all the way up to 30 minutes or never. So select one of the options. It is best if you set it to 5 minutes so that the camera will save battery by automatically turning itself off when the camera is in idle mode. And that's it. After, you can press on the side button to return back to your camera. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.